Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheese cookies. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of finely grated sharp cheddar cheese, and 1/4 cup of softened unsalted butter. Don't forget 1 large egg yolk, a small pinch of salt, and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to really bring out those savory notes. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's move on to crafting our dough. In a medium bowl, cream your softened butter until it's wonderfully light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Next, gradually add in your grated cheese, the egg yolk, salt, and pepper, mixing thoroughly until everything is well combined. Finally, slowly incorporate the flour, mixing just until a soft, cohesive dough comes together. Be careful not to overmix. We want tender cookies. With our dough ready, it's time for shaping and baking. First, roll your dough into a neat log, approximately 1.5 inches in diameter. This will help create uniform cookies. Pop the dough log into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to firm it up, making it easier to slice. Once chilled, slice the dough into 1/4 inch thick rounds and bake them on a parchment-lined sheet at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes, or until golden brown. Congratulations, your delicious cheese cookies are almost ready. Once they come out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them set and prevents breakage. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. These savory delights are perfect as a standalone snack, a delightful appetizer, or even paired with a comforting bowl of soup. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.